What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having a good day. I'm having a really good one, except for there's been a lot of things that have gone wrong, but I'm still excited because I'm getting tuned pretty soon. Like, I'm filming the tune video while filming this video. Things are a little confused, but in this video, what we're doing is we're installing the new SuperSprint mid-pipe that will allow me to shoot flames. This came in a box the other day while the car was stuck, not being able to move. So I wasn't able to put it on up until now, where I just got the ECU put back in. So we can put this in. This is awesome. So let's get it cut open. Nice and easy. Now, SuperSprint is an Italian manufacturer of fine exhausts, so I get to say my car is Italian now. It's a German, British, Italian car being tuned by a Texas company. Seems about right. Anyway.
Oh, first try. Oh.
It's a pipe. It's a big pipe. It's exactly what I need. So we're gonna put the car in the middle and let's go. Little bit of an issue. Car won't start. Might not have plugged something in right. Gonna go look at that. And we're back exactly as I said we would be. Car is in the air. Now, obviously, if you watched the other video, you know we had a couple of struggles, to say the least, including the car not starting. Car started. As you can see, it's backwards in the garage. So now we're gonna take it apart. So the way this thing works is basically you use a factory clamp back here, and then you use that clamp included up at the front. Factory clamp is that one right there in the middle, the dark spot right there. That's factory clamp. A new one goes up there. Now, I believe it is a 13 and a 15 or a 13 and a 16. I will let you know once I'm underneath the car.
I lied. It's a 17 in the back and a 16 in the front.
So you think it looks good, right? Wrong. Sawzall time. I'm gonna mount the front, mark with a Sharpie on the back where it needs to line up and bring it in a tiny bit. And then from there, we can actually get it mounted right. Nothing good ever comes easy. I swear to God, if this don't fit, it's heavier. Why are you not fitting? It's a standard downpipe size. I swear I'm just gonna let this car fall on top of me. You gotta bend it outwards. Okay. We try bending it. Let's see if this works. Yep, we're on. Alright, this is Aiden from editing with a voiceover. The audio on this clip is so bad that I have no choice but to do this. Basically, I'm just explaining that you always need to measure twice, cut once, because I measured wrong. Anyway, the audio should be getting better from here on out. Nothing to it but to do it. Nothing to it but to do it. There we go. Smoke starting to come off. I'm gonna let the blade cool down. Oh, I made somebody mad. Cool. I think we're good. Cool, we got it filtered and cut down to size. I'm gonna get it put on and we're gonna check the spacing on the back real quick. Okay, let me slide that over. Okay. Bolt on the downpipe side. If this didn't solve the rattling, then I have no clue what's rattling. Seems about right. On this.
About half a mil.
Yep. I'll just crank it down. That seems. I look good? That exhaust tip fitment is perfect. We got it done and it should sound good. We're gonna do a valves open cold start real quick for y'all, and then I will pick it up once it gets dark and somewhere secluded where I can actually shoot flames. So let's hear it. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, but look, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. It's not even that loud now. It's stinkier. That second cat was doing stuff. Can we open? Oh. Makes a good noise. I will pick it up when we get dark. Hello, moth. Okay, so we took it out a little bit earlier, and the sound is insane. Like, absolutely bananas. So loud, so cool. The amount of turbo spool is insane. I'll put a little clip on screen now. And it's insane. I love it. However, as you saw, no flames. So we're gonna go see if it shoots flames now. Yo, let's go. I'm gonna put this clip up in a second, but I just wanted to grab my first impressions. This is insane. I'm shooting flames. I'm so excited. Okay, as you guys saw, we shot flames, which is goal accomplished. We made it shoot flames, but it was one piddly little flame. So I have two theories. Number one, all the people shooting big flames are tuned, which is true. So we're gonna see if the tune tomorrow helps. Or number two, the exhaust wasn't hot. And if that's the case, that just means I need to drive around more to get it warm enough to shoot flames. So I will pick this up again another night in the future once I'm tuned. I'll pick it up in this video and we'll see if I actually shoot flames in that one.
Several days later.
Alright, it's a couple days later. I've taken the car on a couple cruises and I can say with 100% certainty it does shoot some big flames, which is exactly what we want. However, I don't know if it shoots some stationary. The tune helped a ton, which is good, and you'll hear the tune. The tune sounds so good. And heating up the exhaust helped a ton as well. So we're gonna take the car on a nice long drive and then pull into that same parking lot and see if it actually works. Okay boys, I have not driven my car in a couple days and I've forgotten just how loud it really is. It's so loud in here! There's that too, and that sounds so good with all the crackles. So many more than stock. Y'all ever seen a triple duty FedEx truck? 1, 2, 3. That's big. All right, I made it to the place. Exhaust, nice and hot. Tune, crackly. This is gonna be good, I can tell, I can feel it. It's gonna shoot flames. So let's go. Just listen to it. It's so loud, even in idle. This is ridiculous. And this is actually in the quiet idle. In sport mode, it's quieter than mid. Like, listen to this. Alright, so you guys are gonna have to tell me if it shoots flames, because I can't see that from here, but do it! Oh, that sounded like a flame. I think that's flame. I'm gonna have to check that. Let's see. So I shot a couple, not as many as I thought. I'm gonna tweak some camera settings because I think the camera is actually, the frame rate on the camera is too fast to catch the flames. So let me tweak some settings real quick. Okay, so I've put you guys here. I've moved you a little bit. This should be better. Let's see. Okay, it can only pop for a short amount of time, but I think that's it, maybe? We'll see if that shot some better flames. Let's go, boys and girls! That's what I was talking about. Those are the flames that shoots while driving. They're insane. like when this thing is driving, it's just so many big flames. That's insane. I love it. Okay, one more before I get kicked out. Put you guys directly in the exhaust stream. I have no clue how much you can hear me because of the wind, but let's see. Alright, that's good before I get kicked out. I'm laughing. I'm sorry, that view was so cool. That was the coolest thing I've ever seen. Like the flame going through the tube and coming out. That's so cool. I am like a child. It's so cool. Oh yeah, I don't even know what to say. Alright, now I gotta get going before I get the cops calling me because this car is so loud. But real quick, I'm gonna place my camera on the other end of the parking lot just so you guys can hear how loud it is. Alright, so there you guys can see my car all the way down there. I'm gonna run to it. You're gonna see just how loud this is. Alright, now I really gotta go. Okay, we gotta go. Flee, quickly. Loudly, but quickly. Alright, boys, there we go. There we go. We shot flames. Let's go. I'm so excited. I'm being quiet because it's really late at night and all my family's sleeping. But we shot flames. I'm so excited. Let's go. I am so hyped. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, stick around for more Stage 2 mini stuff. We've got some really fun stuff coming, including a drag strip night. I'm going to get this dyno tuned, hopefully soon. Probably not, but hopefully. Ton of cool stuff coming. So, until next time, goodbye.